Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to do a quick update video on my Fortnite install on the Quadro 4800. It doesn't work anymore. There's an update that came out from Fortnite that seemed to kill some of the older graphics cards. If you have an opinion on that, please leave a link down below or a comment down below and let's talk about that. But basically, any of my older Nvidia cards that I had for Fortnite installs don't seem to work. I get that DirectX error, but if I go and look at my DirectX configuration, it says all the feature set is there. So I tried this on my Quadro 4800, on my 8400 GS. They just don't work anymore. So I Googled around and saw there's a lot of other people having this problem, but I can't seem to find a document where it's tied to specific cards. So, hey, if you know anything about specific cards and the last update, I think it came out in fall of 19, killing Fortnite ability on those cards, leave a comment and let me know. I guess that would go with any of the Unreal Engine games, but Fortnite's the one that my kids play, so. I just wanted to update everybody. I'm going to post this in as a pinned comment in that video. So let me know your thoughts. Thank you.